already recording. So it was easiest to basically pull this off the back. I unscrewed the 2/4 inch nuts. Oh, and I pulled it off the back. When inserting, this has to face up. So the little latch, if you put it in like that, it wouldn't work anyways. So I guess it's keyed. 1/4 inch. Yeah, what I did was I slid this knob off by pulling up on this so that the knob was being pressed equally on the circumference. Didn't want to screw up that knob. That's 1/4 inch. Where my driver is. Brand new fan selector. This is a box. O'Reilly's part. Remember, it's like $10, and I got a $5 coupon, so it was only like $5 for me. Yay! A lot cheaper than what do you call it? Rock Auto. On this, we got the D sub. There's a keyed. That slides right on. Let's, there we go, to 1. Push that in, and we're good. Now, it's longer, so I'm going to plug this one in first. We should have, you know what we should have done? This doesn't get corroded over here. I was going to say spray it with battery protector, but it's dielectric. Grease keeps the water out. Oh wow, this connector, you squeeze it from both ends. I didn't know that. Interesting. That's a really short cable though. Alright, it's on. Then, this has got to go underneath this. Probably just pops off. Yep. So that. Click, click, click. And this is tabs. What the hell's in there? Oh, okay. This is the hard part. Turn the key on. Gotta get this all the way down. Get this bezel over.
What does the bezel do?
It's ornamental. It's just a trim piece.
Right.
Push down up there.
We should make sure if it works.
And there we go. Hold on. It's gotta work. I'd be very upset if it doesn't again. There's nothing left to replace, buddy. Oh, shit. There we go. It's kind of hard to align. Should have replaced the radio when we were in here. And go over here. Look at this. You gotta align these into the square holes. Did you get that?
Not really, but they understand probably if they have this car.
Yeah. Okay. And this goes there.
Well, why'd you push that on?
What?
Why'd you put that on?
Put what on?
The thing on top.
The hazard? The bezel pushed it on when I was pushing the bezel on.
Oh.
Next, we're gonna fluid film that compartment. I sprayed water in there. It went through that flap door, but I don't think it's going to be through the outside air. I think it's coming out of the evap, and it's overflowing. There's a drain tube, but I gotta jack the car up to get underneath it, unfortunately. And then I'm gonna use a vacuum to just suck out, and hopefully in an empty vacuum I'll see what I suck out. So now that we got this and this, I'm gonna put this in old parts. Alright. This is our old part, lifetime warranty. Bought O'Reilly's, so just in case I need to replace. I'm gonna put the receipt in here too, it's somewhere in there. You could pause.
Okay, pausing.
What's next?
Oh my God.